Yung pwede ka maging congresswoman, pwede ka maglakad dyan, pwede maging
Hi, STEMless peoples. STEMless peoples. Hi, STEMless peoples. Where? Hi, cutesy. On the way po sa Cavite. And magtatagaytay tayo. Oh! Wala akong signal, guys. What time is it? It's 12:30. Anong oras pinag-usapan namin? 10 a.m. Anong oras na? 12:30 p.m. Ang galing. Sorry guys, we did our nails pa. Tingnan mo yung nails ni Mommy. Panis sa nails ni Mommy. I do. Ang role natin for today's video ay magpaganda. Ay! Nakidnap. Si Ricky boy. Nails. Nails ni Mommy. Mommy, nails check. Nails check. Ikaw, nails check.
Malinis yan.
Kaya dapat manipis yung maliit tsaka manipis yung needle.
Natanya Homes, malapit na daw sila.
Yung gutom ka na tapos ganito yung nasa harap mo.
Oo, no?
Yun! Sarap, boss. Sarap po, kukunin yun.
Kanina sobra eh.
Yung card.
Makakukulan na.
Ganda ni Ate.
Sige.
Ready na? Ready na? Inago mo.
So may sopaw.
Alright, thank you very much. Congratulations. Alright. Next. Hey, mga natin. Yan, mga gato ulit. Mga gato ulit. Yan. Happy birthday sa'yo!
Okay, ina. Kanina nasa heritage lang ako.
Yung isa, gusto maging malaki. Okay, again na tayo ha. First score natin.
Let's take a puff before you eat.
Hey, STEMless at Cavite! Dito tayo sa Cavite ngayon, sa General Trias.
Eh, maambon ka.
Isa sa pamilya namin, taga Cavite.
Yeah.
Ano tayo, Natanya Homes. Natanya Homes, Phase 2.
Okay.
Tapos, Davao.
Ito lang ginawa natin ngayon sa report namin is that ha.
Yan, Davao. Wala. Ito ginanap. Kasama natin si Ricky.
Yeah!
Pakita ka! Hey. Natin yung kamag-anakan natin, magulong pamilya.
Magulo ba?
Marot lang, marot. Hindi naman magulo, marot. Tara, kaya muna tayo. Big Mac.
Lola.
Ano po ito?
Yung parang ano yan. Oo, ganun.
Lola. Baka po rin.
Plato. Ano po?
Lolo. Lolo or Lola?
Ito, ano to? Kanin?
Okay, mami.
Wala nang kanin.
Ito na lang po yung kanin.
Ayan na, nagtataruan na naman.
Papak na lang ako, papak.
Dessert na lang tayo?
Papak na lang tayo.
Oo, mas malaki na
Hindi na tayo kumain sa Tagaytay pag matuloy.
Mm.
Sana. Kakausapin muna natin yung mga kapatid ko.
Yeah.
Daniel. Kain muna tayo. Kain.
Kain. Hello. Habang may nagma-magic.
Para ko makain, mag-magic muna.
Hello, panoorin nyo yun ha. Nakakasungin yun eh. May magic na yun.
Hindi na namin ginawa.
po tayong giveaway na pamimigay, ma'am, or palayo. Mga kids, once more, batiin natin na malakas na sabay-sabay sa sayo na...
Malupit ako mag-drive. Tama ko, diba? Hindi ako uminto, babang ganyan. Ganyan yan.
Bababa tayo niya.
Oo, ganyan yan. Kakantukan ko ano-ano. Makakatingin siya ng lolo niya. Lolo niya nagmamano. Ano kayo?
Parang probinsya yung fiesta dito po eh. Matati din naman ganito ah.
Driving pa si Agkat. Si Mama, hawak si PJ.
Ito na sila edit. Kaya natin sila nasa
Yung cellphone nasa bag.
Hindi na kami lang.
Sa kapila.
Ito kasi kuya. Ito daw ba? Sa kanila? Andun ba? Magkakasama po sila. Coach, ayos po ah.
Ayos ka. Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Okay.
Yes, mga kaya.
Pwede ka nila kami dala kung ganyan panyo, kulay-puti.
May kasama mga ano eh. Lady Founders, mga kasama.
May kasama coach.
Kasama OG.
Pumunta kayo kay Tita Robin?
OGG.
Pakita nyo kay kuya, kung saan kami dadaan. Sige, ano? Ayaw kami si Tita Robin sila, Tita Lilian, Tita Lilian. Ah, yes. Ano kaya isusunod sa page? Ah, sige, share location. Sige. Thank you. Okay. Yun. Asa sila, mama? Ayan sa... Ay.
Si taas.
Asa yung kotse nila?
Gutom na kami. Welcome back. Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Imus Cavite. Di ko alam kung Imus Cavite to ah. Mag-house tour tayo sa ninang ko. Ninang ko yun yung bahay nila yun. Hello, push. Wait mo si Daddy. Opo, may kakausapin lang si Daddy. Wait mo si Daddy. Ngayon sila Jay naglalaro ng basketball doon sa loob ng court. Sama si Erin. Kain muna tayo dyan, no? I'm hungry. Kay Ninang. Dali, bibigyan ka ng money ni Ninang. Ni Lola. She will give you money. She will give you cash. Ayaw mo, bibigyan ka ng pera nun. Kasi Ninang ko yun eh. Dati uso yung mga ganun eh, no? Ngayon, parang nahiya na ako mangingi eh. Ninang, magpapasko na po, Ninang. Ninang, magpapasko na po. Baka naman. Pasok muna ako doon, Rex. Balikan kita dyan. Hindi ka na. Dali, pasok tayo sa loob. Mag-house tour tayo kay Ninang. Yan o. Baka?
Why do they want to see him?
Ah, Christmas na kaya Ninong oh. Baby, ano to? Buko. Guyabano.
Halika dali may slide.
Tama ka daw doon, may slide daw doon.
Yeah.
Dali ano to? Dali.
Want the art?
Meron silang slide. Mag-slide ka, be? Sama tayo. Oh, kaya mo ba yan? Kaya mo yan?
Si Sarah ka nakaka-slide.
Ayun pala sila, oh.
Oo nga na, dyan.
Wow, ganda ng view.
Ay, dalawa dito. Asan timeless mo? Ano pa lang? Ang tawag doon?
Ba't pinagawa mo din tong stainless?
Nakalimutan ko kagabi.
Tubig?
Hindi, Guyabano.
Sige, maka.
Ganda, oh. Ganda ng view nila rito, oh.
Doon siyang galing mo kanina. Very good ka.
Talo na siya 1 second din, Marco.
Hindi, si Marco, ano eh. Ganun na eh siya.
Sige po, Tito. Tita, thank you po. Hindi mo naman sinabi.
Yes, what are those?
Ganda ng ano nila, no? Nung pwesto nung ano nila.
Bakit ako nagla-live dati, sabi mo magulo.
Saan?
Dito.
Ah.
Dito ka mo, naglilinis ako.
Kumain kayo dito? Kumain kayo dito?
Hindi pa, magluluto Tito Ruben.
Ah, magluluto pala.
Dapat sinabi mo kagabi, kahapon nabuksan.
Ayun pala, magluluto pala. Ano na?
Kush! nag-slide!
Baba mo na ako. Si Reiki, balikan ko. Magluluto pala si Ninong ko dun. Oo nga.
you saw them.
Ano? Nakapag-slide ka na? You try nga, you try.
I saw Transformers like here.
What's that?
Transformers.
Transformer you can baby.
Transformers.
Yeah, I'll show you. Here, to
JB
JB,
yata
ano na.
maraming laruan yan eh.
There, oh. Asan na ba? There. This one. That one, oh. There.
Over there. Hirap kausap yan, Ninang. Hindi ko yung kinakausap.
That one.
Oh, look.
Ah.
Transformer, oh. No, that's ano lang. Display.
Only for ano.
Only for views.
For your eyes only. For your eyes only. Ayun pa, yung mga ganyan. Katamin, binubuo ni JB yan. Yung maliliit na yan. Yung sa One Piece, mahilig yung magaganyan. Parang bata.
Oh, gano'n naman talaga
Which
eh.
one?
I want the
Which one?
sword one.
The sword one. Ipakita mo yung sword one daw. Taas.
Naku, ang taas nun, anak. Di ko yun abot. Maliit lang ako.
Kaya yung pala yung sinasabi niya, I saw the transformer, yung box kasi.
Nagugutom ako. Hanap muna kami ng ng store. Diyan daw sa labasan. Mag-buy muna tayo, ha?
Yeah, let's walk.
Yung mga bahay. Simple lang. Para ka nasa heritage lang din. Pang.
Palace Athena Classic. Dito tayo sa Palace. Hindi ko alam kung Imos to, pero Cavite. Etibac.
Etibac.
Pagtanong natin kung makikita natin si Malupito.
Malupiton. Dito ba yan?
Sticker tayo dito. Pwede tayo magdikit ng sticker.
Oo nga, no. Dito.
Hindi nga lang, hindi ko alam. Huwag. Pag-dito tayo.
Sabihan natin sila.
Habang naghihintay tayo ng food dun kila Ninang. Kasi nagluluto para eh.
Bili na tayo mga nget-nget. Uy, yun, may mga ano sila. Donut.
Okay. Lista mo na yan.
I want bacon. That's my favorite.
And,
And
yung mga ano dito, bossing.
soft drinks.
Tinapay.
Hey, I want
Ano, pili mo, bossing?
bacon.
Food trip. Chicharon. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa isa nito. Ito. Chicharon pa rin.
Ay, yung isa.
Hindi yung ano tawag dito.
Ano bang ano yun?
Ito.
Chichaoy.
Chicharon.
Parang gano'n.
Chicharon.
Chicharon na para plat eh.
Alam mo wala nabibili nito sa atin eh. No?
Dami naman na ito sa Manila. Parang grocery yung tindahan dun sa atin. Push.
Balik na kami sa taas. Ay. Ha?
Magkano ba kayo?
Di ba traffic? Di ba traffic? Wala lang, chicharon gusto niyo? Ah. Chicharon, bigyan mo sila.
may nakitang pagkain.
Yan.
I think 6.
Laki, kilo lang.
What is that? Peanut butter?
Yung maliit, di ba? Maliit pa ito na, buhay pa tatay nyo. Oh, pa ito maliit eh. Tinanong nga namin ito eh. Mayaman ka ba? Snake lang po. Sasawa kami sa... Snake lang po. Gugutom ka na, ano? I bought it from Lazada.
Oh,
Shopee.
Lazada.
From Lazada.
Pick. Tapos pag kukuha ka.
Salamat, Lazada.
Oh.
Ganun lang.
Fancy.
Pero pwede mo ibalik yung toothpick, no?
Pagkagamit mo.
Pagkagamit mo, pwede mo ibalik.
After you use it, put it here.
You put it back. Yung sarap yun, no? Sarap yun, no? Sarap yun, no? Sarap yun.
Just borrowing. We're not in our home. We
Okay guys, spreading peanut butter. We're having merienda.
Sada. After use.
No, thank you. He's putting it back.
Zero na yan.
Nakita ko, may nakita ako ito kasi. Parang ba?
Ito naglaro ang slide.
Sige, mag-slide ka mag-isa doon. Taas.
You want another one?
Thank you. Last Christmas was Thailand.
This is your first Christmas here.
Yeah.
You're going to experience Noche Buena.
Yes. Buenas noches.
Do you have Noche Buena? Noche Buena. Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Christmas
Like,
Eve, Christmas
you're
Day.
waiting to turn it.
To midnight.
You're waiting, yeah.
They cook.
Turkey.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
November 28.
Yes, November 20th.
Yeah, it's okay.
We don't do
Last
Thanksgiving.
Thursday of the month.
Last Thursday of November.
We cook
Yeah.
pigeons.
He's had a lot of stimulus already.
Well, what's your food during Christmas Eve?
Christmas Eve, you just kind of make what your like family known dishes are. So for us, it's like a mixture of a little bit of Thanksgiving because we love the dressing, we love the macaroni. So that gets brought over from Christmas. But instead of like a turkey or something, we'll make chicken, roast beef. Us, we as a family, because you know other people do their own thing, but my family we don't really eat pork that often. Like I can say being here for as long as I've been here, I've eaten more pork here than I've eaten my entire life. Yes. I'm not used to eating
Here,
that much pork.
we eat everything. Pork, chicken, name it. We eat everything here.
And y'all also eat things that we normally don't eat. Like you don't see people saying like, "Oh, I want chicken." You don't hear that. Or we went to the Palenque and I think we're grabbing like chicken wings or something. And I just see this like family. Of course, not judging them, but they're like grabbing so many chicken feet. Chicken feet. And I'm like, wow, people actually eat like chicken feet.
Yes.
I didn't
We
know.
eat frog.
I've had it, but I don't eat it. I've had frog. I've had
Filipino people eat frog.
yeah, I've had frog legs, only the legs.
Only the legs. No. Filipino people eat the whole thing. Of the frog. But I don't eat that. I don't like that.
But
If seasoned correctly, frog legs just taste like little chicken, little pieces of chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
It just has we call it like gamey. It means like it has like a wild taste to it.
Parang ostrich.
That's what you ever had like venison, like deer or
One thing I don't
elk?
like about we call that here ango.
Ango.
The gamey texture and smell and the aftertaste. Gamey smell. And everything we eat here, we put rice. What's venison?
Venison is like it's the term for meat from like deers or elks or something like that. I forgot which one. Yeah, it's a general term for the meat, but I think I forgot which one, but it's one of those. No, it's one of those, like an elk or a deer. I'm not for sure which one, but it's one of those, like either an elk or a deer or something like that.
What's like strange that you eat in Vegas that you don't like? It's not common in other places. Like it's common to your place, but not common to others. Not common to other countries.
That's really hard because everything that we eat, you all go kind of beyond like what we do because we don't really, unless your family has like some kind of different kind of recipe, you're not really eating anything like too strange. I've eaten a bunch of weird animals and like big animals that people tend to not eat. I've had crocodile before.
What's pheasant?
Pheasant? It's like a bird. Like
a bird, yeah.
I forgot.
Dove?
No, not the dove. I forgot, but it is a bird.
When they hear that,
Galobot na to. 7%. So nakakanta.
Mama, kantang-kanta.
Damn baby, oh.
Nalaglag ah.
Damn baby, no? Nagkalat na eh. Kantang-kanta na eh. Dito muna tayo. Makapagkwentuhan mo tayo sa kanila. Ayaw mo, Kiss?
Bigat yung bibig na. But the other trainers, they have this.
I like the clap better. That sounds better.
Bigat na siya po. Yeah. You can practice. Ganda. Why PJ is sleeping? Hindi niya magawa yung pagtawag sa malapat. Yung ganito. Ganun mo. Diba ano to? Kasi you're doing this. Ito, yung fingers. It's like hollow. Hollow in. Oh, yun. Yan.
I didn't know I had the.
Yeah, Friday tonight, there are a lot of in your house. Yeah, just like this.
You're going to practice and then there's a lot.
No, that's your house.
Yeah.
Naroon ba yan?
Gadab.
Pakuha ng toothpaste.
Toothpick yan dito.
Toothpick?
Click mo.
Pag gagan, kukuha siya toothpaste. Gosh, ano ba yan?
Amazing. I want that.
Amazing.
Ito yan. Ito yung bibili yan.
Shopee, nabubudol. Sa budol, sa budol.
You lay with me.
Lakas hindi ko.
Don't cry.
Kuya. Look at Natakot sa'yo. No, tumatawa nga siya.
You walk. You take steps. Yes. You go.
You go.
Use the power of the
Use the
legs.
power.
Ayun sila, critical mo sila. Ano lang gamitin mo is, ano lang mo.
Nope, we cannot do it. Kulay white na tayo yun.
Lola Pogi, ano? Dali, sabi mo.
Nag-link na yung dede.
Dali na, sabi mo kayo yun, Lola Pogi. You ask permission. Because the owner of the house.
Stainless din po yung damit na dala ko.
Stainless.
Stainless steel nga.
Nangre-rate talaga yan eh.
Ayan, daw dito. Ayan, yung nasa puti. Yung nasa puting mangkok.
Mga naman yung gusto eh. Ang dami naman. Nakita mo pa yon? Nakita mo pa yon?
Nakita mo ba yan?
Kami, di namin nakita eh.
It's a biscuit. The whole thing. The whole thing. She wants the
You watch the whole thing.
Oh my goodness. Ginagawa talaga. Oy.
Oh,
Ano mo ba nagkapating ka?
tignan mo. Sabi mo sa lolo mo, lolo, what will you say? What will you say? Sabi mo, lolo, lolo. Lolo. Hey, lolo. He wants to thank you daw.
Okay.
Dali na, dali. Say thank you. Ayan.
I want the whole thing.
I want the whole thing.
Grabe na kayo naman lahat yan.
Kung makakain ng
Let's go na.
Do the montage. Hindi, dito na lang palabas bago mag-highway. Kung ano madaan, dito na lang. Baka may mga local ano dyan. Let's do the montage. Let's do the montage. Montage.
Bakit puro yung
Montage.
montage.
Vlog take over.
Merry Christmas po, Ninong!
Ninong, baka naman. Kaya po kami mga mas
I take a video of you. You take a picture of me.
Nakita ka nila last sa album eh. Alala ka niya. Sa album. May album na buhat mo ko eh. Inaana ko yan to.
Siya yun! Pinakakatabi ko sino. Siya yun!
Ayun. Sabi mga ninong ko yan. Tsaka ano.
Yung kamukha ni
Mga
Duday.
ninang.
Balik pa yun ako. Ano ko lagi yan.
Of course.
That's all fun here. We will sing. I will cook you kare-kare. You eat kare-kare?
Bless you. Yes, next time.
I cook the best kare-kare in town.
Oh, I can't wait to try. I just don't eat seafood.
Yes.
I don't like seafoods also because I have an allergy to seafood. Magkaano pa lang ito, tapos nangangatineldi lang.
Alam mo, gusto nito kare-kare.
I was all off camera. Thank you.
Kaldereta.
I'm filming the sea.
Machado.
Yung mechado, kaldereta. Mechado.
Oh, I love machado, caldereta. Oh,
Sige, basta just
We will
let
cook.
woo!
Machado for you.
just let us know when you want to come here. Yan. Yeah. Let's go.
And crispy pata.
Camila, do that little tick-tocky dance the tick-tockies do.
No, you do the wave.
Oh, baka may maiwan kayo.
Hindi naganap ng spot. Naglaro eh, no? Ah, okay. Okay lang naman. Nangyari ang
Face out na yung promo ni ngayon. Sige, dito na lang. Tapos belly bus. Sama. Drinks po ay may drinks na to.
robot na naman.
Sino magra-rice?
Ako. Raise your hand. Rice.
Apat
Rice.
na rice. Tsaka isang, ayun, Caesar salad.
Caesar.
Oo, yung family salad.
Ano na ginagawa?
Canada